So I wanted to share with you my routine for those mornings when you wake up and you're like, what the just happened right now? And you look like you're 10 years older overnight. And that has a lot to do with many different things that can happen. Not getting enough sleep, too much sodium the night before, too much wine the night before, not getting enough water, eating really late at night. There's a lot of different factors that can contribute to that. But I have a routine that I have been loving and I wanted to share it with you that makes the under eye area look beautiful and youthful all day long. So let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Jodylynn and welcome to Aging Naturally, where we are transforming the way that we define aging with no Botox, no plastic surgery, and no fillers, and I bring you cleaner, cruelty-free products. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is the First Aid Beauty. This is their face cleanser. This is really beautiful. It is very simple, no harsh ingredients, no fragrance, very, very lovely. Dry, oily, and combination skin will really benefit from that. Then I use the Pixi Detoxify Eye Patches. These eye patches instantly reduce under eye puffiness, dark circles while moisturizing. This is really going to hydrate those under eye areas. So if you wake up in the morning and it's extra wrinkly or it's really puffy, this is going to be what you want. This is so lovely. I just have been loving these. You keep them on for 10 minutes. Do not wash the serum off, just pat it into your skin. Now to lock in that moisture from the Pixi serum, I like to use the Nacific Fresh Herb Eye Cream. This is a very thick consistency, as you can see, and it has niacinamide as well as hyaluronic acid, and it just locks in everything, and I like to put it on the brow area as well. And it just locks in that moisture and just keeps everything nice and smooth and youthful looking the rest of the day. And then I like to use my moisturizer that I'm using is the Tatcha, the water cream. Just been experimenting with this and I've been really liking this. This is an oil-free moisturizer. It has anti-aging properties, it has Japanese botanicals, and it also releases an anti-aging property that helps hydrate the skin. I've been really enjoying this. It's very, very nice. Nice thin layer on the top. You can just tell I'm going to do a before and after here. Just hydrating that under eye area makes such a difference. Then I've been loving the Tarte Hydro Clear Concealer. This is my absolute favorite concealer. This is clean. It is a medium coverage. It has a beautiful and natural finish, and it moves with the skin, which I love because it does not settle into fine lines at all. I have just been loving this. It keeps, again, everything moisturized underneath that eye area so it doesn't look crepey and cakey throughout the day. I like to take a beauty blender and just mat that concealer down into my fine lines to ensure it doesn't move. And then to set everything in place, I like to use the Lawless Seal the Deal. This is a setting powder. This is talc free. Again, this moves with the skin. It's just lovely. I never find that it cakes. It locks everything into place all day. I have no problems with anything setting into fine lines when I'm using this concealer along with the setting powder. It's truly just lovely. And then I like to lock everything in with the Colorpop Pretty Fresh. This is their Hydro Mist, setting mist, and this has hyaluronic acid has very a little fragrance. It's way down on the ingredient list. Very light fragrance, so just keep that in mind, but I do not find that it bothers my skin at all. I like to put it on, spray it on, and then as it's almost drying, I like to take a brush and just mat those areas down on where I want everything to be locked in place and not move. And this has been just lovely. So here you're going to see a before and after. So let me know if this video was helpful, and I'm just also curious, what products do you use, or any techniques that you use to really keep this area plump, youthful looking? I'd really love to know what your go-to products are. So hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. Make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. I think that's all. Until next time.